My name is Katy Hurley and I'm Equine Events Officer for rhoi DGC. As part of the rhoi DGC project, we offered funding for equine health clinics which allowed horse owners to have a one-to-one session with their vet where biosecurity, health planning and responsible antibiotic use could be discussed. Funding was also available for culture and sensitivity testing if the vet felt this was necessary. The clinics have varied from a single pony on a small holding to multiple horses at a livery yard. Overall, the clinics have been well received by both vets and owners, and feedback shows the majority of owners found the clinic useful or very useful, with a high proportion stating that following the clinic they've made changes to improve the health of their horse. I'm here today with John Edwards of Cotts Equine Hospital, who provided a number of our equine health clinics.
As vets, we've welcomed the opportunity to have these discussions with owners and help change attitudes towards antibiotic use, both for the clients but also with the vets themselves. Almost a third of the owners who had a clinic with Cotts avoided antibiotic use, and the clinics have helped reinforce the benefit of taking swabs, doing culture and sensitivity testing before and even during treatment. Clients have found the clinics interesting, informative and thought-provoking, and hopefully changing the mindset towards preventative measures such as biosecurity, good hygiene and good antibiotic stewardship.